Our question is 3 into tan x plus 5 log x plus 1 by x. F of x equal to 3 tan x plus 5 log x plus 1 by x. Then f dash of x equal to 3 into dy by dx tan x plus 5 into d by dx of log x plus d by dx of x power minus 1. Why? Because here 1 by x is equal to, we know that 1 by x equal to x power minus 1. So that's why 1 by x I replace with this 1 by x. Derivation of x power minus 1 equal to 3 into derivation of tan x is secant square x plus 5 into derivation of log x is 1 by x plus derivation of x power n. Here n equal to minus 1. So derivation of x is n into x power n minus 1. So here n is minus 1 into x power minus 1 n minus 1. Here n is minus 1. Next point equal to 3 into secant square x plus 5 into 1 5 by x plus minus 1 into x minus 1 is minus 2 minus x power minus 2 equal to 3 secant square x plus 5 by x plus into minus x power minus 2 equal to 3 secant square x plus 5 by x minus 1 by x square. This is our final answer. Why here I write 1 by x square? Because x power minus 2 equal to 1 by x square. That's why I write like this.